plus sign is used. It is read as plus plus. The sign shows equal to, shows equality, is read as is equal to. Now let's add. There are in first one, there are two tops and plus we want to add one top. So 2 plus 1, we will count here. 1, 2, 3. Yes, there are 3 tops now. Now let's count the lollipops. Can you see here? There are 3 lollipops in the first. So 1, 2, 3. We will below write here 3 plus 2 lollipops on the right hand side. So we will add. So total how many lollipops are there? Let's count, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So 5. We will write below. There are 5 lollipops. So we will write the number 5 over there. The first box we will write 3. In the second box we will write 2. And in the third box we will write 5 below 1. Okay. Now observe the addition train. Can you see here addition train? Yes, there are more words to show. Yes. Now we want to draw the beads. So in the first box we will draw 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Now in the second box it's given 2. So we will add 2 beads over there. 1 bead and second bead. So we want to count how many beads are there together. So come children, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the below box it's given. So we will add here 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we will write here 5. So in all we will write there 5 beads. Again I will repeat this sum. In the first box we will write 3 beads. We have drawn 3 circles over there. 1, 2, 3. And in the second box it's given 2. So we will draw there 2 circles. That is 1, 2. And overall we want to count how many circles are there. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In all 5 circles are there. And in the below box we want to write the answer 5. So 3 plus 5, in the first box we will write 8. So we in numbers we will write 8 over there, and in the spellings it's given there EIGHT, 8. In the second one there are 4 frog plus 3 frog we want to add. So we will count how many frogs are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 3. 5, 6, 7. So total there are 7 frogs. In the upper box we will write 7, and the below one we will write SEVEN, 7. I repeat, just a minute. So I repeat the spelling of 7, SEVEN, 7. The third one, there are 5 fingers in one side plus the 4 fingers we want to add. So 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will write here 9. And in the box we will write the number name of 9. That is spelling NINE, 9. Next one, that is 4 plus 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we want to add 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So in all, we want to write here 8. We will write the spellings of 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. So students, I hope you had written the numbers and the number names. Moving to the next slide. Let's practice addition. 4 plus 1. Now we will count how many numbers are there. 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is, what is the next number of 4? Yes, the next number is 5. So we will write there 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. Now below 4 plus 1 there is given 3 plus 8. So let's count how many numbers are there when we add 3 plus 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will write here 8. In the same way, we will do the below sums, that is 6 plus 2. When we add 2 with 6, let's count what we get. 6, 7, 8. Again, the answer is 8 over here. Now, we want to do 7 plus 0. So when we add any number with 0, we get the same number over here. So the answer is 7 plus 0 is 7. Now let's see the next column, that is 5 box is equals to 7. So what we will get, what we want to add when we want to get 7 when we add with 5. So we want to add 2. So the answer is 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now let's see 8 plus box is equals to 9. So what we want to add when we want to get 9 from 8? Yes, the answer is 1. We want to add 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. The third sum, 2 plus box is equals to 5. What we want to add when we want to get 5 from 2? Yes, the answer is 3. When we add 3 to, when we add 2 plus 3, we get 5. Now can you see here two dashes, two boxes are given and it's given is equals to 8? Yes, now we want to add 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. So the answer is 4 plus 4. Children, if you have not written, please take the screenshot of the picture. Now, read and solve. Sahil has 6 chalks. Hamid gave him 3 more chalks. How many chalks did this Sahil have in all? Can you see here 6 chalks? Is the Sahil is having 6 chalks and the Hamid is having 3 chalks. Hamid gave him 3 chalks. So 6 plus 3, let's add here. So we will add here. Let's add and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Now count how many circles I have done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in all, after 6, 7, 8, 9. There are total 9 chalks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total there are 6 plus 3 is 9. After 6, we want to add, that is 7, 8, 9. So total in all there are 7 chalks. Now let's see the next sum. That is Ketan's almonds. Ketan's having 4 almonds and Neha gave him 4. So total, how many almonds do they have together? Now let's add what is 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ketan's having 4 almonds plus Neha gave him 4 almonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in all, how many almonds? Let's we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in all, there are 8 almonds. See, 1, 2, 3, 8. So total there are 8 almonds. Now next sum. Joseph has a 7 flowers. An angel gave 2 flowers. Total how many flowers with them? So we want to add 7 plus 2. We will add here 7 plus 2. What is 7 plus 2? Yes, after 7 we will add 2 numbers, that is 8, 9. So total flowers are 9. So total there are 9 flowers. Next one. Jia has a 5 beads and Pramit has a 3 beads. How many beads do they have together? Now let's see what we get when we add 5 plus 3. So after 5, 6, 7, 8. So total there are 8 beads. Now color the petals, those answer is equal to the number in the circle. So 6 plus 2 is 8. We want to color the petals which has the answer of 8. So the 2 plus 4, what is 2 plus 4? 5, 6. So the answer is not equals to 8. So we will not color that petal. The next petal 5 plus 3. We will color 5 plus 3 because the answer is 5 plus 3 is 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again see here 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 the answer is 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will color that petals too. 3 plus 4 is not 8. It is 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So we will not color that petals too. Now in the next flower, can you see the answer is 9. Which petals do we want to color? Let's see. 5 plus 4 is 9. So we'll color that petals. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So next petal is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7, which is not equals to 9. So we will not color that petal. 6 plus 3, 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll color that petals too. 2 plus 5 is 7. So we will not color that petal. 7 plus 2 is again 9. So we'll color that petals too. Now add the numbers given on the butterfly and join the dot with the correct flower. Now 4 plus 3 is 7. So we will join the dots. 4 plus 3, 7. We will join here with the 7. Say 7 plus 0 is also 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. So we will join the dots here. 5 plus 1 is 6. So we'll join. 3 plus 2 is 5. So we'll join the flower here. See here also there is 1 7. We can join that dot too. 8 plus 7 plus 2 is 8, 9. So we will join that. So hope children, today we have